Hello guys, today I have another Mercedes ML350. It has a message for the battery on the dash. Customer replaced the battery, the main battery, the big one, but still has another message for the battery. There is an auxiliary battery like this one, the auxiliary battery on this car, next to the main battery, the big one, next to this one. I guess the auxiliary battery is bad. I'm gonna to replace it. First I have to replace this stuff. Okay, let me take off this stuff and then I can make a video and continue with you. So I took off this stuff right here. This is the main battery, the big one. The auxiliary battery is right here. This one, here, as you can see, the auxiliary battery, exactly the next to the main battery. We have to take off the main battery and then try to take off the auxiliary battery and put a new one and test it again to see if it has a message still or no. So guys, as I said, to access to auxiliary battery, this one, you need to remove the battery, the main battery, and move the passenger seat to forward and bring it up a little to access that auxiliary battery. I'm gonna to try to take it off now and then continue to make a video. So guys, I took it off, this one, the old auxiliary battery. I'm gonna put this one, the new one. So guys, I put the new auxiliary battery back, and I'm gonna to put back the battery, the main battery, and then test the those battery, if we have a message on the dash for the battery or no. So guys, I'm gonna to start the car to see if it has a message for the battery or no. Let's try. It has a message just for the service, as you can see. Doesn't have any indicator on. No, we don't have a message for the battery. We don't, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.